$3,449. That's the price of the luxury smartphone bundle that I'm holding here in my hands, making it the most expensive consumer-facing smartphone you can buy today, and it's made by Samsung. I'm sure a lot of you are wondering, why on earth would somebody pay almost $4,000 after tax for a smartphone? Well, this isn't just any phone. It's the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 Thom Browne edition, and believe it or not, these limited bundles sell out quickly. I'll leave a link below if you want to try your luck at getting this, but for now, let's open it up. 2 weeks ago, I traveled for the first time in 17 months to attend Samsung's hands-on media briefing for the new Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3. And a few days ago, I released a video comparing the Z Fold 3 to the previous generation Z Fold 2. I'll leave a link to that one down below. Now, I'd been using the Z Fold 3 that Samsung provided for review for about a week when this arrived at my door. Samsung has been teaming up with Thom Browne to make luxury versions of the Galaxy Z Fold since the beginning, and while the smartphone is certainly the star of the show, you do get several other items included in the bundle, which you'll see as we open this up. If you're unaware, Thom Browne is an American fashion designer who has his own luxury line of clothing and accessories. To me, this is similar to how Apple works with Hermes for the luxury version of the Apple Watch each year, but Samsung's partnership actually gives us hardware that is more obviously unique, which I love. Now, as you can see, even the packaging here is extravagant. Right away, you can see that everything that is included in the bundle is individually labeled and slotted into the giant box. There's also a secret drawer compartment that holds all of the Thom Browne themed accessories. Now, starting with the Z Fold 3, you can see right away that this year they went with a mostly white color with the signature red, white, and blue Thom Browne styling, which is a stark contrast from last year's gray color scheme. The company says that this is an homage to American sportswear and a call out to the fact that it's an Olympic year. I'll have my full Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 reviews dropping soon, so be sure you're subscribed so you don't miss those. Also immediately apparent to me is the metal finish. Rather than the matte finish found on the standard Z Fold 3 rails, we've got this polished finish almost similar to what you'd find on the silver iPhone 12 Pro. This is a much more striking look that fits the luxury aesthetic perfectly in my opinion, especially as the hinge catches the light. Next, there's the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Samsung's first watch that sports Google's Wear OS as the operating system and with body composition tracking. The Thom Browne design is immediately apparent with the leather strap here, super premium. Then there's the Galaxy Buds 2. What they did here was put the little Thom Browne flag on the outer casing as well as on the buds themselves. I do have my full review on the Galaxy Buds 2, which I will link you to down below. Now, before we dive into the accessories portion of the package, I want to give a big shout out to this video's sponsor, Spigen, makers of fantastic cases and accessories for all your mobile devices, like the Spigen PowerArc ArcStation Pro and ArcField wireless charger. Now, I'm a fan of carrying as few chargers as possible with me, and the 45-watt ArcStation Pro is a charger I can use for my smartphone, tablet, and even my laptop despite its small size, all through the USB-C port. The reason it's so compact is because it's a gallium nitride or GaN charger, allowing for higher charging frequencies in a smaller package. It's 65% smaller and 35% lighter than Samsung's own 45-watt charger, and about the same size as Samsung's 25-watt and Apple's 20-watt versions. They even include a high-quality braided USB-C cable in the box. Now, if wireless charging is more your thing, that's where Spigen's ArcField comes in. It supports up to 15 watts and will auto-detect the optimal charging speed for any device you put on it. It also has built-in overheat protection, as heat is the enemy of wireless charging efficiency, giving you faster, sustained wireless charging speeds. Both products have a 2-year warranty, and you can find links to both the ArcStation Pro and ArcField wireless charger in the description below. Once again, big thank you to Spigen for sponsoring this video. Now, onto the Thom Browne accessories. First, the S Pen Pro. This is the version with Bluetooth, and that will work with other Samsung devices that aren't the Z Fold 3 as well. All you need to do is flip this switch. You get a white color with the Thom Browne New York logo and flag accent. There's also the wireless charger trio, which lets you charge up to 3 devices at once, so you can put your Z Fold 3, Galaxy Buds 2, and Galaxy Watch 4 all on the pad at the same time. You have the device area on the left and the watch area on the right. Then we get to the aforementioned secret drawer compartment. And if you buy this set, do not forget about the stuff in this drawer. I know someone who threw this away 2 years ago, not realizing there was more stuff in this area. This is where you're gonna find all the additional accessories. You have the leather cover for the Z Fold 3, the leather cover for the Galaxy Buds, a fabric and rubber strap for the Galaxy Watch 4. Oh, and yes, the Thom Browne edition even includes chargers, multiple chargers in the box. So here's the question. At $3,450, what would it cost if you bought the non-Thom Browne versions of everything included in the box? I did the quick math. The 512 gigabyte Z Fold 3 is $1,900. The Galaxy Watch 4 is $280, and the Buds 2 are $150. The additional accessories that I could find totaled $540. However, Samsung doesn't have the leather Galaxy Buds 2 cover or the additional watch bands. That brings us a total of $2,620. So you'd pay $850 less to get everything but the leather and nylon watch straps and the Buds 2 leather cover. But what you don't get is that cohesive Thom Browne experience. Now again, I have a link in the description if you want to pick up the Thom Browne version of the Z Fold 3 or the Thom Browne version of the Z Flip 3. Let me know your thoughts on these luxury tech products and if it's something you'd ever consider picking up. Thanks for watching as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andrew Edwards, and I will catch you in the next video.